Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with safety and immediate actions. Power down, unplug the PSU, and ground yourself because static kills components. Once done, open the case and remove the side panel so you can access the GPU. Next, unscrew the rear bracket screws and press the PCIe latch. This frees the card. Make sure to trace and gently unplug any 6 or 8-pin power connectors. You're labeling orientation, so reinstallation is simple, and accidental bending of pins is avoided. Now you remove the cooler. It's where most complexity hides. Start by unscrewing the fan shroud and keep screws organized because lengths differ across the board. Once exposed, unplug fan and RGB headers carefully, wiggle straight out to avoid bending pins. Then detach heat pipes and heatsink. You may need steady, even force because thermal interface material can bond parts. Before removing old thermal paste and pads, photograph the layout so you know where each pad and spring goes when reassembling. Finish by removing the PCB from the bracket and unscrewing the GPU core and VRM screws, using a star pattern to avoid warping the die. You'll clean the GPU die with 90% plus isopropyl and apply a thin, even bead of thermal paste. Replace thermal pads to original thickness and position. Reassemble in reverse order, reconnect power, and boot with minimal hardware. If you get no display, don't panic. Receipt the card. Verify power connectors, and check BIOS settings as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.